Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial video of Cloudy5 application. And in today's video we are going to be learning about how to fill in the student's admission information. So we are going to be learning about how to add student and how to view students. So first let's go on to the add student section. As you can see, there are some mandatory things that you must fill in order for you to save the information, like student's name, admin class, etc. There are some mandatory things in the parent guardian section too, and the bank details and documents submitted are optional things. Now let us imagine the parent already exists. The information of the parent already exists in your institute. So at that time, all you have to do is just check on this box and click on select parent. As you can see, it asks you to select the class. Let us imagine the class 8 student shares the same parent. Let us click on this student. As you can see, the information is already filled in. Now, as I've told you, the bank details are completely optional. Documents submitted. Now, it is an optional thing, but a lot of institutes ask for some kind of documents like bona fide, TC, Aadhaar card, and if you get those documents, you can click on it. For example, TC, you can click on choose file. You can just upload the file, and you can add it. It is as simple. You can upload any kind of document over here. Now let us imagine that you have already done the inquiry of the student that you're filling the admission information of. So in order for you to take the information from the inquiry, all you have to do is just click on load from inquiry, and then let us assume that we have taken this is the class 6 student that we are putting the information of, and there you have it. We have already done the inquiry of XYZ student. So all you have to do is just click on load, and some of the information already gets filled in. There is also a really good feature that lets you take photo directly. All you have to do is just click on camera, click on take photo, and you will get a preview of the photo if you got the webcam. Or if you want to just upload the file, all you have to do is just click on choose file and select the photo and upload it, and it will be saved. As you can see, we have filled in some of the basic information, mandatory information that we needed to fill in order to save the details, admission details of the student, and we are ready to save. As you can see, I've clicked on save, and now the student information is saved successfully. Now if you want to view the student, all you have to do is just go on admission, click on view students. Now as you come on to the view sections tab, there are multiple ways to filter out the information. The most easiest way is to just type in the name of the student over here. You can also type multiple things like type in the admission number, type in the father's name, or type in the mobile number, and the information of the student will appear over here. You can also filter out by the class, whatever the class the student is studying in. You can just click on it, and you can take the entire information. And you can filter out by sections. You can filter out by the number of rows. If you want to see the information of 200 students, you can just click on it. If you just want to see only 5 students, you can just click on 5. And there are more ways to filter out the information. If you go on to the filters, you can just sort by alphabetical order. You can sort by ascending to descending, or you can sort through admission date, ascending to descending, father's name, ascending to descending, and the category, whether it is a day scholar, residential. You can just filter out the information through the gender too. If it is a male or a female, you can filter out more of the information using medium. Like if you want to know Telugu medium students, just click on it, click on load, and all the Telugu medium students are going to appear. Now there are two really good features in the web application, that is show deleted and transferred students. Let us imagine that you have deleted the information of a student and you want to view it. All you have to do is just check on this box, click on load, and the deleted students information are going to be shown. And same as transferred. If you want to see the profiles of the transferred students, just check on this box and click on load. And if you want to edit the information, click on the edit the record. As you can see, it appears. If you want to add something, add a detail that you didn't had at that time, you can just add it over here. If you want to delete some of the information, you can delete it and you can click on save again. And there you have it, the student profile updated successfully. Now you can also list, you can also view this list in the two forms, in the list form and the grid form. All you have to do is just click on grid form, and as you can see, you get the grid form, and you can click it over here. You can for the editing. Now coming up to another feature, that is sending bulk SMSs. Let us imagine that you want to send SMSs to all these students. All you have to do is just check on this. Sure, you want to select all pages, confirm, and then click on bulk SMS. I have already made a video on how to make a template. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it. The link is in the description. I've made one template already. So I'll just click on the absentee, click on preview to view how my message is going to look like. This is how my message is going to look like. If I'm going to click on send SMS, the SMS is going to be sent on all these 4 mobile numbers. And now if you want all the information as a PDF, all you have to do is just click on it, click on the PDF icon, and as you can see, the PDF of all the information appears. You can download it by clicking on it. You can take a print if you want, and you can also export all the information to Excel by just clicking on the Excel icon, and there you have it. So this is it. I hope you all have understood the simple tutorial on how to add a student in the admission section and how to view the students, filtering out the information, sending the bulk SMS. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.